How to add a logo to your Google business profile. Once you're on Google, just type in my business. There will be this dashboard that comes up that'll show what business you're managing. I have this example store right here. Let's view the profile. Once here, scroll down and just press this See Photos. Once here, you'll see two options: add a cover photo or add a logo. This is the one we want. So let's press add a logo. Let's select a photo. I have this, for example, as a logo. You can crop it if you want. I'll crop it so it's a tight fit. I'll adjust it a little bit. Let's save that. And now that will be your logo. We can delete it if you want, or we could change the logo. Let's do it one more time. Select a photo, logo, crop it if you want. I'll crop it again. And save that. And that is how you change your logo in your Google business profile. You can source your logo from anywhere. For my example, I got this one from a free stock photo website on the internet, but you can make your own logo or you can get it from whichever source you deem reliable. And that is how you change your logo in your Google business profile. It's as easy as that.